The value of this 3-axis machine running and roughing out the material and getting it prepped properly to use our 5-axis and push much higher value into the 5-axis as opposed to the 3-axis. This is a much lower dollar rates than that machine. So if we can do low dollar work in this machine, which is basically preparing the part, truing up all the sides from the rough material, it actually gives our 5-axis the ability to massively reduce our cutter costs because the material is very consistent when it goes in. Plus, this preparatory op that used to be done in the 5-axis is now done in the lower dollar work. And so it massively increases our productivity.